In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix SHEIN login issues and get back into your account. If you're having trouble signing in, the first thing to do is carefully verify your login credentials. Take a moment to double check the email address or phone number you entered and then review your password for any typing mistakes. Small errors like an extra space, incorrect capitalization, or a wrong character can stop the login from working. If everything looks correct, but you still can't get in, use the Forgot Password option. This will let you request a password reset OTP so you can securely create a new password and try again. Next, check whether you originally signed up using a third-party login method. Many users create their account through Google, Facebook, or Apple ID instead of setting up a separate password directly in the app. If that's how your account was created, you need to use that exact sign-in option when logging in. Trying to enter a regular password for an account linked to a social sign-in can cause repeated login failures even when the account itself is fine. Another important fix is to disable any VPN or proxy service you may have running on your device. Sometimes SHEIN blocks certain IP addresses that are flagged for security reasons, and this can prevent you from signing in properly. Turn off your VPN or proxy, then close and reopen the app before trying again. This simple adjustment often helps restore normal access. After that, clear the app cache on your device. To do this, open your device settings, go to Apps, find SHEIN, and choose the Clear Cache option. Clearing cache removes temporary files that may have become outdated or corrupted. It does not usually delete your account, but it can help the app load fresh data and resolve sign-in problems more effectively. Finally, make sure the SHEIN app is fully updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and check whether an update is available. Running the latest version of the app is important because updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility patches. If your version is out of date, login issues may continue until the app is updated. Once you've gone through each of these steps, open SHEIN again and attempt to sign in. In many cases, one of these fixes is enough to solve the problem. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same process anytime the app starts acting up again.